ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज 354 तृतीय मंत्र। त्रीणि आत्मने अकुरुत इति मनोवाचम प्राणम। So this Prajapati Pita created 3 annam for oneself. Atmane akuruta. What are the 3? Manaha, Vacham, Pranam. Tani Atmane akuruta. How do you do siddhi of mind? So Upanishad says, अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नादर्शम अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नाश्रौषम इति मनसा ह्येव पश्यति मनसा शृणोति। अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नादर्शम अन्यत्र मनाः. How will you do समास विग्रह? अन्यत्र मनाः. What are the 2 padas? What are the 2 padas? Anyatra mana. Anyatra mano yasya saha अन्यत्र मनाः. अन्यत्र मनो यस्य यस्य मनः अन्यत्रम गतः सः व्यक्तिः पुरुषः अन्यत्र मनाः. When there is bahuvrihi samasa between 2 pada, first you have to know what are the 2 padas. Then with these 2 some vibhakti you have to do yasya, yasmin, yasmat, yena, something. Anyatra mano yasya saha anyatra manaha. How will it become dirgha? Anyatra mana is rasva. Manaha. How it becomes dirgha?
अत्वसन्तस्य च धातुः.
Atvasantasya cha dhatoh. Like Nachiketaha, Chandramasaha, in this way. Anyatra manaha. So, if Vyakti says, Anyatra mana abhuvam, na darsham. Somebody says, did you see that? Something, some object. He says, no. Why? I was Anyatra manaha for some time in this way. Anyatra mana abhuvam. Abhuvam, lung lakar. This you know. How do you know? Because man abhuvam. So man yog is there with lung, then at is not there. So here abhuvam. Abhuvam is lung. Lung, uttam purusha, ekvachanam. Aham anyatra manaha abhuvam, in this way. Tasmat na adarsham. Anyatra mana abhuvam na ashrausham. Did you hear what I said? No, I was anyatra manaha. A Tika Bhashakar will explain. This is Vyagra Chitta. With Vyagra Chitta, you cannot do Shravanam. Why? Because Anyatra Manaha. Mind is somewhere else. Anyatra Manaha nahi. How? Sutra will come. Manas Shabda is there. But when it becomes Samasta Pada, Sutra. Manasa hi eva pashyati. Manasa shrunoti. So Shruti says the importance of mind. With mind only he sees. With mind only means Manasatve darshan sattvam. Manaso bhave darshan abhava. Manasatve shravana sattvam. Manaso abhave shravana abhava. Then what is manaha? This is very prasiddha mantra. Kamaha, sankalpo, vichikitsa, shraddha, dhritir, hirir, dhir, dhir, ityetat sarvam mana eva. This is second part or third part. First part is Trini Atmane Kuruta Ityadi. Then Anyatra Mana Abhuvam, etc. Now what is Manaha? Kamaha, Sankalpaha, Vichikitsa. Do you know all this? Kama means any desire for any longing, basically, is called Kama. Sankalpa. This is all in mind. I mean, this is mind. Mana upadanatvat. Mana karyatvat, mana eva. Vichikitsa, Shraddha, Dhriti, Adhriti. According to Nayayika, all this is in Atma. Right? So, Shruti is there for Vedanti that look at this Shruti. This Shruti says all this is Manaha, not Atma. Shraddha, Dhritir, Adhritir, Hir, Dhir, Bhir, Ityetat Sarvam, Mana eva. All this is Manaha. तस्मादपि पृष्ठत उपस्पृष्टो मनसा विजानाति यह कश्च शब्दो वाग एव सा तस्मादपि पृष्ठतः उपस्पृष्टः from back also if somebody touches you पृष्ठतः उपस्पृष्टः अपि मनसा विजानाति then he knows through mind, oh, somebody has touched me. Because it is not seeing, it is not hearing, but he knows. Upasprishta. Means he knows who this person is also sometimes. Sometimes he may not know. Otherwise he will say, this sparsha is sparshendriya, why you have to know through mind. But there also without manaha, sparshendriya also you will not know in this way. Yaha kaschah shabdo vagevasa. Now next is vagindriya. Yaha kaschah shabdo, whatever word is there, shabda is there, it is vag. Esha hi antam ayatta. Esha hi antam ayatta. So, because this vag, it culminates in revealing something. Esha hi vag antam ayatta. 1 number tippani. अभिधेय अवसानम अनुगता अर्थ निर्णयम प्राप्ता अर्थ निर्णय will happen through this vag means artha prakashika iti yavat. This vag indriya is artha prakashika. Esha hi na swayam cha esha vag no vagantar prakashya ityartha. Vag is not vagantar prakashya. No vagantar prakashya means that swayam prakashya. That's why Vak is also called Jyoti. We have seen in Swayam Jyotir Brahmana. Means in Anubhuti Prakasha we have seen. that if there is no Surya, Chandra, Agni, all jyotis are not there. But if you want to give jnanam to someone, through vak you can give. They give drashtanta, like if power is not there, somebody walks in, you say walk few steps forward, then there is wall, so come this side or go that side, something. So with vak you can give jnanam. That's why vak is also jyoti, pramana. एषा ही न प्राणो, एषा ही अंतमायता, एषा ही न मीन्स एषा ही न in tippani vagantar prakashya, that you have to understand. एषा ही न स्वयं च एषा वाक् न वागांतर प्रकाश्य. वागांतर, वागांतर, हाँ वागंतर थी, वागंतर, वागंतर. What is there in that book?
वागंतर.
वागंतर, okay. वागंतर प्रकाश्य, वागंतर only. न प्राणो, वागंतर जैसे है वैसे. देन न नहीं, प्राणो अपानो व्यान उदानः समान. अन इति एतत् सर्वं प्राण एव. एतन्मयो वा अयम् आत्मा, वाङ्मयो मनोमयः प्राणमयः. तृतीय अन्नम इज मीन्स अंतिम अन्नम इज प्राण. सो प्राण अपान व्यान उदान समान. अन इति एतत् सर्वं प्राण एव. सो इट इज अन with all these upasargas, prana, apana, etc. इति एतत् सर्वं प्राण एव. एतन्मयो वा अयम् आत्मा, प्राणमयो वा अयम् आत्मा. एतन्मय, प्राणमय, मनोमय, वाङ्मय, all three. Now you see Bhashya 1355. Third line Bhashya. Ko asya artha ityuchyate. मनो वाक् प्राण एतानि त्रीणि अन्नानि तानि मनो वाचं प्राणं च आत्मने आत्मार्थम अकुरुत. कृतवान् सृष्ट्वा आदौ पिता. मनोवाक् प्राण, these three, एतानि त्रीणि अन्नानि, he created these three annam, mano vacham pranam cha. Atmane atmartham akuruta, for one's own self. Kritavan, Srishtva is given. Srishtavan should be Srishtva. Srishtva atmartham akuruta. पिता। टीका। ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम सप्तान्नानि सृष्ट्वा चत्वारि भोक्तृभ्यो विभज्य त्रीणि आत्मार्थम कल्पादौ पिता कल्पितवान् इत्यर्थः। अच्छा, सृष्ट्वा इज देयर इन टीका। ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम सप्तान्नानि सृष्ट्वा, having created these 7 anna with karma upasana, चत्वारि भोक्तृभ्यो विभज्य, he gave 3 for all the bhoktas. त्रीणि आत्मार्थम कल्पादौ पिता कल्पितवान इत्यर्थः. 3 he kept for himself. Further, अन्यत्र इत्यादि वाक्यम उपादत्ते। तेषाम इति, तेषाम मनसो अस्तित्वम, सो अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नादर्शम, अन्यत्र मना अभुवम नाश्रौषम, दैट वाक्य इज एक्सप्लेनिंग। तेषाम मनसो अस्तित्वम स्वरूपम च प्रति संशय इत्यत आह। तेषाम मनसो अस्तित्वम स्वरूपम च प्रति संशय, सो तेषाम among those anna that he created, about mind there is a doubt, अस्तित्व संशय and स्वरूपम च प्रति संशय, अस्तित्व विषयक संशय स्वरूप विषयक संशय इत्यतः। षष्ठी निर्धारणार्था, वेरी षष्ठी तेषां। तत्र मनसो अस्तित्वम आदौ साधयति, मनसो अस्तित्वम, अस्ति तावत् मनः श्रोत्रादि बाह्यकरणम, बाह्यकरण व्यतिरिक्तम। So Siddhanti will say this. Asti tavad manaha, there is something called mind. What is that? Shrotradi vyatirikta bahyakaranam. Shrotradi bahyakaran vyatiriktam. Shrotradi bahyakaran vyatiriktam antakaranam manaha asti. टीका। आत्मेन्द्रियार्थ सान्निध्ये सति अपि कदाचिदेव अर्थधीर जायमाना हेत्वन्तरम आक्षिपति। न च अदृष्टादि तद इति युक्तम तस्य दृष्ट संपादित्वात् तस्माद् अर्थादि सान्निध्ये ज्ञान कादाचित्कत्व अनुपपत्तिर मनः साधिका इत्यर्थः। See that line in टीका again. आत्मेन्द्रियार्थ सान्निध्ये सति अपि, आत्म इंद्रिय अर्थ, आत्मा च इंद्रियंच अर्थश्च इति आत्मेन्द्रिय अर्थाः तेषां सान्निध्ये अपि, all of them are in सन्निधि, सान्निध्ये अपि सति, सान्निध्ये सति अपि कदाचिदेव अर्थधीर जायमाना, sometimes the अर्थ ज्ञानम takes place, हेतुअंतरम आक्षिपति। आत्मा इंद्रिय अर्थ, आत्मा प्रमाता, प्रमातृ चित, प्रमातृ चैतन्य means pramata. 8 number tippani says atma pramatru chit, means you should understand pramata chaitanya means not shuddha atma, the one who is going to get in artha jnanam. That in artha jnanam will be to pramata only. Pramata means pramata chaitanya. So atmendriyartha sannidhye sati api kadachideva artha dhir jayamana हेत्वंतरम आक्षिपति न च अदृष्टादि तत् इति युक्तम। हेत्वंतरम आक्षिपति अदृष्टादि तत् इति युक्तम। दृष्ट संपादित्वात् तस्माद् अर्थादि सान्निध्ये ज्ञान कादाचित्कत्व अनुपपत्तिर मनः साधिका इत्यर्थः। Sometimes when the jnanam takes place, kadachit eva arthadir jayamana. So why kadachit eva? Why not sarvada? So he says, Hetvantaram Akshipati, na cha adrishtadi tat. Adrishta. Somebody says, adrishta means prarabdha. Punyadi, if it is there. Some punya is there, then jnanam will take place. Adrishtadi tat iti na yuktam. Why? Tasya drishta sampaditvat. See, something can be there in your prarabdha, sukha or dukha, but something else has to become nimitta also. Only adrishta by itself is not going to work. Adrishta will work through something. If dukkham has to come, somebody has to become something. Somebody means something, or somebody has to become nimitta. Without that nimitta, how adrishta will work? So, nacha adrishtadi tat iti yuktam. अदृष्टादि तद इति न युक्तम। कस्मात् तस्य दृष्ट संपादित्वात् तस्माद् अर्थादि सान्निध्ये। अर्थ सान्निध्य, इवन इफ इट इज देयर, अर्थादि सान्निध्ये ज्ञान कादाचित्कत्व अनुपपत्ति ही मनः साधिका इत्यर्थः। अर्थ सान्निध्य इज देयर, इंद्रिय इज आल्सो देयर, बट ज्ञानम इज कादाचित्कम, means sometimes jnanam takes place, sometimes I don't see or I don't hear. So therefore this is the sadhaka for manah. This jnana kadachitkatva anupapattihi, sometimes jnanam is not taking place, even if indriya is there, artha is in proximity, there is no pratibandha, still jnanam doesn't take place. Why? Because mana, something else you have to accept. That something else is mana. So this jnana anupapattihi mana sadhika ityartha. So this is arthapatti. Mano vina jnanasya kadachitkatvam anupapannam. Mano vina jnanasya kadachitkatvam anupapannam. Jnanasya kadachitka kadachitkatva anupapatya manaso siddhi. Manasaha siddhi. Without mind, jnanam will not have kadachitkatva. If indriya is there, vishaya is there, jnanam should take place all the time. But sometimes it is not taking place. Therefore, jnana has kadachitkatva. So one more thing is there. When it is present, jnanam is taking place. Yasya sattve jnana sattvam. Yasya bhave jnana bhava. So that is manaha. Manasaha siddhi through arthapatti. लोक प्रसिद्धिरपि तत्र प्रमाणम आह. लोक प्रसिद्धि is pramanam. Loka prasiddhi is this now. See, did you hear? No, that one. Yatah evam prasiddham bahya karana vishaya atma sambandhe sati api abhimukhi bhutam vishayam na grinhati. Yatah yasmat evam prasiddham. This is very well known. What? Bahya karana vishaya atma sambandhe. Bahya karana, vishaya and atma means pramata. Their sambandha is there. All of them are there. Sat sambandhe sati api. Abhimukhi bhutam vishayam. Something is there right in front. Na grandhati. Kin drashtavan asi idam rupam iti ukto vadati. अन्यत्र मे गतम मनः आसीत्, सो अहम अन्यत्र मनः आसम नादर्शम. Bhashyakar will write the whole dialogue. Somebody is telling the other person, किं दृष्टवानसि इदं रूपम इति उक्तः. सः वदति, that other person will say, अन्यत्र मे गतं मनः आसीत्, सो अहम अन्यत्र मनः आसम न आदर्शम. I was अन्यत्र मनः for some time. I didn't see. ठीक है. अतो अस्ति बाह्यकरणादि अतिरिक्तम विषयग्राहीकरणम इति शेष. Therefore, what is प्रतिपादितम? Other than बाह्यकरणादि अतिरिक्तम विषयग्राहीकरणम किंचिद अस्ति. That is अंतःकरणम. तामेव प्रसिद्धिम उदाहरण निष्ठतया उदाहरति किं दृष्टवान इत्यादिना. So this prasiddhi is using for udaharana. किं दृष्टवान इत्यादिना. तत्रैव अन्वय व्यतिरेका उपन्यस्यति. There he is presenting अन्वय and व्यतिरेक. तस्मात्. Before that, one more sentence in Bhashya. तथेदं श्रुतवानसि मदीयं वचः. Guru will ask disciple, or anybody can ask, idam shrutavanasi madiyam vachah iti ukto anyatra mana abhuvam. So all the time you are anyatra mana only. Your name should have been anyatra manaha. Anyatra mana abhuvam. Na shrausham, na shrutavanasmi. जरा फिर से बताइए. ना श्रौषम न श्रुतवान अस्मीति. तस्मात् यस्य असन्निधौ रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः चक्षुरादेश स्व स्व विषय संबंधे रूपादि शब्द ज्ञानम न भवति. तस्मात् यस्य सन्निधौ रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि यस्य असन्निधौ, यस्य असन्निधौ, यस्य मनसः. If mana is not there, रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः चक्षुरादेः. चक्षुरादि are रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थ. Yes. रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि चक्षुरादेः सतः स्व स्व विषय संबंधे रूप शब्दादि ज्ञानम न भवति. रूप ज्ञानम शब्द ज्ञानम is not there because mind is not present. Sushupti is not taken here. Jagrat only. In Sushupti, Chakshuradi are also not. The Shrotra is also shut down. When all Karanas are not there, then only Sushupti will be there. What is that? Panchikaranam is there. What is that? Upasamhara, the Dakshinamurti Stotra. What is the सन्मात्र करणोपसंहरणतः यो भूत सुषुप्त होमा. सकल करण उपसंहृति, when it happens, then only there is sushupti. Indriyas are withdrawn from there. यथोक्त अर्थापत्ति लोक प्रसिद्धि वशात इति यावत्. This अर्थापत्ति, this is the अर्थापत्ति. मनो विना ज्ञानस्य कादाचित्कत्वम् अनुपपत्या मनसः सिद्धिः. अनुमानम विमतम आत्मादि अतिरिक्तापेक्षम तस्मिन् सति अपि कादाचित् कत्वात् घटवत् इति अनुमानं च तत्शब्दार्थः. तत्शब्द मीन्स तस्मात्. तस्मात् is given यस्य असन्निधौ. So what is that? विमतम. विमतम शब्द रूपादि ज्ञानम. This is विमतम. आत्मादि अतिरिक्तापेक्षम. आत्मा मीन्स प्रमाता. प्रमातादि अतिरिक्तापेक्षम शब्दादि रूप परिज्ञानम. शब्दादि रूपादि ज्ञान. शब्द रूपादि ज्ञान. Why? तस्मिन् सति अपि कादाचित् कत्वात्. Even when Atma is there, Shabda Sparsha is there, Indriyas are there, Jnanam is Kadachit-kam. So that Jnanam is Atmadi Atirikta-peksham. Atmadi means Atma Indriya Vishaya. Atirikta-peksham. Ghatavat. Ghata. Ghatavat means Ghata Jnanavat. You should understand. Ghata Jnanam Atmadi Atirikta-peksham. Tasmin sati api kadachit katvat. Ghata Jnanam, even if it is there in front, sometimes it doesn't take place. Iti anumanam cha tat shabdartha. Everybody understood these two pramanas, Arthapatti pramana and Anumana pramana. Shruti is the first pramana. After that, two, Arthapatti and Anumana pramana. Online, everybody understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Shall I explain again?
Swamiji, can you explain the Arthapati? Yasya Sattve, it seems like Anumana, Yatra Yatra, Tatra Tatra.
Anvaya Vyatireka, but I will tell you what is Arthapatti. What is the drishtanta for Arthapatti? Arthapatti, Ratri Bhojanam Vina Pinatvam Anupapannam. Right? So, but Pinatvam is drashtam. Therefore, you do Ratri Bhojana Kalpana. So, here also, Manovina Jnanasya Kadachit Katvam Anupapannam. Without mind, how there will be Kadachit Katvam that Vishaya is there, Indriya is there, Pramata is there. But sometimes knowledge takes place. Sometimes knowledge is not taking place. Therefore, there has to be another factor. And that some in Jnanam Kadachit Katvam is there. This is our Anubhava. It is as spashta as this Devadatta's Pinatvam, that he is fat, that I see. So, based on that, I will do Arthapatti. That there has to be another Karana in whose presence Jnanam will take place. So, it is only Anvaya Vyatireka, but it is not Yatra Yatra. Actually, so according to Nyaya Darshana, they don't accept Arthapatti Pramana. They will say it is, what is it? What do they say? Vyatireki Vyapti. Nyaya Darshan says Arthapatti is nothing but Vyatireki Vyapti. So with that they will explain. But Vedanti will say no, you need Vedanti Mimamsakas, we accept Arthapatti. So this is Arthapatti Pramana. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
And Anumanam is clear to everybody?
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
Clear? Okay, see Anumanam again. Vimatam. What is Vimatam? Shabda Rupadi Jnanam. Atmadi Atirikta Peksham. This is Sadhya. Pramatadi Atirikta Peksham Shabda Rupadi Jnanam. Why the hetu is given? Tasmin sati api. Tasmin means tesham sati api. Tesham atmadinam satyam api. Even if they all are there, in jnanam there is kadachit katva. Kadachit katvat. Jnane kadachit katvat. Ghata jnanavat. So this is the vichara that otherwise how every time knowledge should take place, but sometimes it is taking place, sometimes it is not. Therefore, we have to do kalpana of this manaha. Kalpana means anumanam, prayoga. And our anubhava is there that when my mind is calm, then I sit in class, everything I hear, everything I understand. When something happens, mind is Brahmita, I sit in class, I am just spending time so that class is over. So that tells there is something else. इति अनुमानञ्च तच्छब्दार्थः तस्माद् अनुमानादि मानात् अन्यदस्ति मनो नाम इति सम्बन्धः देयरफॉर अनुमानादि मानात् अनुमानादि प्रमाणात् अन्यद् अस्ति मनः नाम मनो नाम karanam anyadasti. There is some karana called mind different from bahya karana. This is the sambandha. रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः इति प्रमाता उच्यते. रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः. Otherwise, रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थ is pramata even when he is there. In Bhashya, you see. तस्माद् यस्या सन्निधौ रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः. So there रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्यापि सतः प्रमाता. रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थ चक्षुरादेश. Chakshuradi is chakara is given. So pramata chakshuradesh रूपादि ग्रहण समर्थस्य प्रमातुः षष्ठी प्रमातुः सत्वे अपि स्वस्व विषय संबंधे रूप शब्दादि ज्ञानम न भवति. In one's own respective विषय रूप ज्ञानम शब्द ज्ञानम sometimes is not taking place. अंतःकरणस्य चक्षुरादिभ्यो वैलक्षण्यम आह. अंतःकरण is different from बाह्यकरण चक्षुरादि. सर्वकरण विषय योगी इति अवगम्यते. मनो नाम अंतःकरणम सर्वकरण विषय योगी. सर्वकरण विषय योगी means that which is going to connect to all karana. Chakshu, Tvagindriya, Shrotrendriya, Granendriya, etc. Iti avagamyate. Samanantar vakyam phalitartha vishayatvena adatte. Samanantar vakyam means the next sentence. Phalitartha vishayatvena adatte. फलितार्थ विषय तस्मात् सर्वो हि लोको मनसा हि एव पश्यति मनसा शृणोति तद व्यग्रत्वे दर्शनादि अभावात्. When mind is vyagra, vyagra means अन्यत्र व्यापृतत्वे. It is somewhere. Vyapruta means it is doing vyapara elsewhere. Mind is occupied somewhere else. Anyatra vyaprutatve darshanadi abhavat. Darshana shravana, nothing will happen. तत्शब्देन उक्तं हेतुं स्पष्टयति तद व्यग्रत्वेति. When mind is vyagra means vikshipta darshana shravana etc. will not take place. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.